Got these gaskets yesterday, Remplex, recommended by Old Tank. I'm going to see if I can get these installed this morning. Maybe, possibly. We'll see how it goes. Well, I managed to get that crossover pipe on. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Wiggling it in there without scratching all the paint, you know. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right. To make it a little bit easier to pull that old pipe off and put the new one on, I took the bolts out of the left engine mount and stuck a wrench in there. Gave me that little bit of extra room that I could wiggle it in there without damaging paint and all that kind of stuff. So I got to bolt that back up. Well, I ran into a small problem. These gaskets are so fat that it's rubbing on the heat riser weight. So I got to get up in there and trim that. I guess I should have trimmed it before I put them on. Never thought about that. So I got to do a little trimming. Oh, look, I found more problems. I was playing around with that heat riser and realized that that little stop bracket was broken. It's always something. Well, I decided to make one out of my used choke coil. And it's not as pretty, but it might work. See if it does. Well, it looks like it might work. I just got to tap it into place there. And I got it in the right position. So let's see, yeah, that would be with it open. No, closed. This is with it open. Okay. We'll see if I can get it on there. Now you guys knew that I could not leave that alone. I had to bake that little stop in there. Looks pretty good. It actually works. I flipped it over and it's got a little stops it before it gets to the very end so it doesn't get stuck. Okay, let's move on. Pipe that's laying right here. That's what the crossover looked like before I started. So we'll get to working on that one and get that one bolted up. Well, the exhaust pipe's looking pretty good. Just cleaned her up good with a SOS pad or a steel wool pad and some purple power. I got the gland there painted up, sandblasted, got this cleaned up to hang it. So we'll wait for paint to dry and maybe later today and get that bolted on. I was able to get the exhaust extension pipe on. The only thing I tightened was the bracket to the bell housing trans area, simply because I don't have the muffler on yet. And I didn't tighten those bolts yet. I'm going to wait till everything is snugged up with the muffler. But boy, is it looking pretty.